Hey guys, what's going on? Justin at Three Rivers Dent Repair. Today is Wednesday, May 30th. There was a ton of hail damage dropped on western Pennsylvania in the last 24 hours. Oakland, Cranberry, Johnstown, Altoona, just you name it. I mean, the storm spread. Actually, it was a 2-day storm that spread from west of Toledo, Ohio, all the way into New York. I heard even Staten Island had some damage overnight. So things are going to get crazy. If you love your car, like we hope everyone does, you're going to want to get it fixed. The body shops that you normally prefer to use are going to fill up. That's the reality of a large damage storm like what we've got on our hands here. So here at Three Rivers Dent, we do offer in-home service. It's something that nobody else offers. We can repair your hail damaged vehicle at your home. We offer a flatbed service. We can bring the car back to our location for the repair. The main thing is if you're going to fix your car, you need to file a claim with your insurance company. We cannot give an estimate. The insurance companies basically just take our estimate and throw it in the garbage anyway. The claim needs to be opened and filed, as they say, and the vehicle needs to be on the ground so that we can get a proper inspection of the amount of damage that you have. If you cash the check from your insurance company, oftentimes there is additional damage that was unseen because the adjusters are looking at the cars outside. The car has to be inside, clean and dry, under the correct LED lighting or similar reflective source. So keep that in mind when they're doing the estimate for you. A lot of adjusters are going to come out to your home or your work and look at the cars outside with inadequate equipment. It's nothing against the insurance companies. They don't have the equipment that we have to see everything that's going on your car. So think about that. If you have any questions, you can certainly reach out to me. I'll answer the phone as best that I can. We were getting I got over 100 inquiries yesterday, so the phones are going to be hot. Bear with me as we make our way through this. It's going to be weeks and even months into it, so stay tuned, and I appreciate you watching. Take care.